Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro sales order printing and emailing guide. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to print and email your sales order. So I'm at the sales order page, and let's say I want to print a sales order. Quite simply, I can tick off one or multiple orders, and I can just go options print, and I can select the template that I want. Typically, if you're working with Xoro 1, typically it'll default to the apparel template. And if you click print preview, it'll pull up the template that you selected. So you can see here some of the details of like the deposit amount, the discount, the total quantity, basically some of the information about the shipping, the dates at the top here, and basically your company information at the top as well. You also have the printing option if you open a sales order on the top right here. That'll basically pull up the same information. And if you want to email an order, quite simply, similarly, just tick off the emails or the orders rather, and just go options and then go add to email queue. Now, suppose you want to send it to someone specific. To basically, if you want to send it to someone who isn't the email of the customer here. So basically, what you can do is just select this option here, put in the email address that you want to send this to. Otherwise, let's say I want to send it to the email that's listed under KMOP here. I can just keep it as respective recipient. Now, what I can do is I can add it to the queue, this sales order email, and basically flush my queue at the end of the day, send all my emails at once. Or if I want to send it right now, I can just go add and preview. And basically it's going to pull up the email from the email center. So you can see the two emails populated by the email that's listed under this KMOP customer. Had I selected the other option and filled in an email, this two box would have been populated with that email. And then what you can do is you can actually adjust these email templates by going to the email template module and basically changing these around. But by default, your email will look similar to this. So then what you can do is basically just fill in the remaining information, just hit send, and it'll send the email with the attached order as well. So that's basically how you print and email your sales orders.